everyone and welcome again to Alcalà Technology. Today we have another project actually coming from Paris straight to Girona, so more than 9 hours to arrive here. So this is a BMW E30, which it came a little bit, not correctly well treated, we can say. So yeah, actually it came only for the exterior paint. We did a full paint for front, rear, sides, you will see. But well, just let me show you an inside video. We have BMW E30 from '89 coming from France. Actually, we're gonna do a new paint The car was, well, as you can see, it's been worked by hand. We are giving some putty because it was really deformed. You can see also the front bonnet that we have here. But well, I don't want to speak much, so inside video. So we're about to paint this BMW. You have seen how we have been working on that. Sorry for the noise, but we are about to paint it now. So I was cleaning a little bit the surface, you know, so we have cleaned. Now we remove the dust, and I really like to feel what we have done. So touching, after degreasing my hands, so touching all the shapes, that everything is clear, that I don't feel any dust, any bit of dust in the body. So yeah, I'm about to start painting, which I'm desiring because it has a really nice shapes. And yeah, I mean, I let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Well, hello again. I hope you have enjoyed how we did all this process of restoration. Well, more than restoration is just repaint, and then as we say, it's a face wash. So, well, if you have a car, if you want to do, you know, to give a different shape to the car because it has some dents, it has some little rusted, and so on, we can also do that. We do these big projects as the Audi, as we did in the Alphas and everything, but this is a quite big project for people who really want to spend a lot of money for that, but to redo and repaint the car, having these nicely specs, we can say. So we can also do that. If you want to do that, just send us an email to technology@alcalá.com, and then well, sorry, it's not .com, it's .cat, because we are in Catalonia, and and yeah, and just some pictures of the car, what you want to do. We can do also interiors, exteriors, engines, whatever. So yeah, keep in tune. Thank you very much, and see you in the next chapters.